kitty parties, at the core of it, it's about the gathering of women and about them pooling money so that they can have the freedom to spend it the way they want. Almost like 90% of the women population in cities are part of one kitty or another. This place of freedom for women, right, where they get together and they are able to have fun. It's a place where there's no judgment. We have seen our mothers be part of it, talk about it at times, or discuss the gossips that they received or found out in those parties.
Maybe when I was a kid, right, they seem to be loud and like unwarranted for, but like as you grow up and as I myself get like a sense of womanhood, I see how important those things are, and just like dating women and just like talking about women things.
So, yeah, we knew of it from a very early age, but only recently did we see it as a place where financial discussions can happen. The financial literacy rate in India is already pretty low, and that this stoops even lower when it comes to women. There is already discussion about money happening in kitties. So we thought that since there is an established platform for that, why not leverage it to provide financial education to the women of India?